Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create stunning AI animation styles with Kling AI Video Generator. So this is the tool you will just have logged in easily, and after logged in you will just see the like AI images, AI videos, and I will be just tap on it like AI images, and you will just give them prompt like this futuristic cityscape at sunset with flying cars, and I will just tap on it like generate option, and you will have wait for the moment when it's completely generated. So it will be in a queue. There are four samples images for the animation, so you will have wait for the moment. So here you will see in this way you will have to just create it by the giving prompt and easily text to image generated easily. If I just go back in the dashboard, and I will be just tap on it AI videos. So right over here you will just tap on it text to video. So here you will just give them a prompt, and it will be just create a video for you, and this is the hints you will just also use it like camel, and simply you will just have to tap on it like generate for 10 credits, and I will be just tap on it. So right now it will be said that free users can only one have video, so I will be just use my one video. But when you just created your account, and you will just give them prompt to create a creative animation video, so it will be generated easily. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.